Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing two types of homeless, two categories of homeless. First, we have the sensationalized imagery of the homeless that we see every day on the news. It would be the mentally ill individual or the substance abuse user. And that makes up 20% of the homeless demographic. But did you know that 80% of the homeless is what we put in a category called transitional homelessness? And those individuals and families are homeless because of circumstances. Circumstances like financial emergencies or catastrophic disasters such as Hurricane Helena that affected individuals and families in the state of Florida and North Carolina. And more recently, the wildfires in California. I am homeless, but at one time I did have an apartment. And in 2024, a homeless voucher agency, housing voucher agency, terminated my voucher because I complained of substandard living conditions in my unit. Structural damage, electrical damage, water damage, and high levels of black mold. I was told by the housing voucher agency that we needed to be moved out of the unit. But instead of them moving us out of the unit like we agreed to, they discriminated and retaliated against me, stating that I was in non-compliance for program violations. Once I heard that news, I reached out to organizations that help the homeless, such as Legal Aid. I contacted attorneys. I contacted politicians. And no one seemed to come to our aid, so I didn't have any help. I didn't have any choice but to learn how to advocate for myself because I didn't like the position that we were put in. So I did some research and I started studying about housing laws, how to file a complaint. And that's exactly what I did. I filed a complaint and I had to represent myself as a pro se litigant. This can happen to anyone. And so when you're experiencing homeless, no matter what the reason is, and those services may not be available in your community or state because of lack of funding, or the organizations may not have jurisdiction, or just plain and simple, they may not want to get involved. And at that point, you need to advocate for yourself. So if you have experience being homeless, or a story or a question to ask about advocacy, please leave a reply in the comment section below. This is the Homeschool Dev. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.